Hi, my name is Adrian with Essex. Today we're going to be talking about how to unclog a toilet and tips on how to prevent a clog in the future. The first thing we're going to want to do is stop any active water by turning the water supply valve off. This is located on the left-hand side of the toilet at the base of the supply line coming from the wall. Simply turn the knob clockwise or to the right to turn the water off. If water threatens to spill out of the bowl, locate a bucket and bail out about 1/3 of the water. Now that the running water has been managed, let's address the clog. Grab your plunger and place the suction cup over the drain opening inside the bowl. One thing to keep in mind is that plungers operate using a sucking action on the drain, not the pushing action. Slowly push the plunger down and pull it back with some force. You may have to repeat the process several times to clear the clog. Be sure to turn the water back on by turning the water shutoff knob counterclockwise or to the left. Did you know that one of the most common clogs come from the overuse of wet wipes? If your household uses these, remember, we do not recommend flushing more than one at a time. Also, if too much toilet paper is flushed at once, a clog will most likely occur. Instead, flush the toilet once while using it, and then again after to reduce the amount of toilet paper being flushed at one time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful. If you would like additional tips about your home, be sure to watch our other how-to videos.